Hello, friends. Back again with my lovely bird. We're going to take a look at, now that you know several different ways to edit a photo, we're going to talk a little bit about how to selectively edit stuff. So say I want to do like a colorized sort of picture. I can do my magic wand and select different pixels. If I want to add to the selection, I come up here. And I'm actually going to switch over to the quick select. There's a reason I had you guys learn this first. And we are going to make everything except the bird and his little branch black and white. So I'm coming in and just clicking and dragging. And you may need to zoom in and refine your bits because you want this to look clean. I shouldn't be able to see like errors where your black and white came over too far. So I'm going to come in along here. And you can change the size of these brushes as well. So just need a little bit here, just up to that green bit. So now I've got everything except the bird selected and his little branch. We're going to add in that little triangle. And it's details like this that really make a difference, guys. Don't forget stuff like that. And now I'm going to go up to Image, Adjustments, Black and White. And of course, I can mess with the settings here. Cool. Now say I wanted to select just the bird and the branch. They're currently deselected. Everything around them is selected. I can go up to Select and choose Inverse. And what that's going to do, that's going to choose the opposite of what I have selected now. So everything that's not selected will become selected. So now just the bird and the branch are selected. So I can come up here. Let's mess with the color balance a little bit. Now, I like that for my branch, but not so much for my bird. So I'm going to come in here and select parts of my bird. Maybe I'll do something different with him. I'm on the minus select. And let's come back over here. And like I said, it really is important that you go back and get those details. I don't want to change the stuff here. The other cool thing you can do, guys, is you can save selections. If you don't want to keep going over and over, you can go up to Select, down to, where'd it go? There it is, Save Selection. And I'm just going to name this Branch. If I need to, or if I accidentally click off of it, oh, I got to do that all again. No, I don't. All I have to do is go up to Select, Load Selection, choose Branch, hit OK. I'm going to edit this to make it look more like that magenta. That color balance. Remember, color balance shifts the intensity of different colors, which then changes it. I like that. And just a quick reminder, you can selectively edit color. So let's go ahead. We're going to select bird. Just the bird. Actually, I'm going to leave his beak out of this. I'm going to go to the rest of there. Oh, that's selecting everything. Remember, I can go to Inverse, select, Inverse. So it should just be, whoops. Let me check something real quick. Let's see what I'm actually adjusting. Okay, so it is just the bird. Good. I am going to minus out those branches, though. Just the bird. And when you go into hue and saturation, remember, you can choose just certain colors to mess with. So if I click on here, maybe I want to make him, maybe I want to have him do orange. So it's just going to limit the colors. Just my yellows were changed in that. Cool, huh? So for your last exercise in this, I want you to take a completely different photo and I want you to make several adjustments to it. I want you to do hue and saturation, maybe color balance, maybe black and white, definitely black and white, and possibly brightness and contrast. Once I zoom out, I'm going to go ahead and save this, save as, and I'm saving as a PSD file. There, edit, final. Hit OK. I'm going to go up to image, and it's canvas size. I choose in order to add more. Switch to inches, big photo. I want to change the height, 100. And I want it to add up because I'm going to put the before photo up there. It leaves me some blank stuff. I'm going to drag and drop the original photo right up there so I can easily see what changes you've made to your photo. Then I would go in, File, Export, Export as. PNG or JPEG is fine. So I'm going to change this to JPEG real quick. Hit Export. Name it, save it, and drag and drop into my Google folder. And that's it.